Make your Christmas table shine with these easy ideas for festive centerpieces. Whether your table decorations are rustic, traditional, minimal, or decorated to the nines, these Christmas centerpiece ideas will provide the inspiration you need to create a gorgeous tabletop for all your Christmas gatherings. Christmas centerpiece ideas will provide the inspiration you need to create a gorgeous tabletop for all your Christmas gatherings. Create a stunning Christmas table decoration using bundles of holiday greenery. Bind together long branches of seasonal blooms like eucalyptus, pittosporum, dusty miller, or pine. Arrange them in a long greenery runner and tie the branches together loosely with twine. When it comes to this Christmas centerpiece, there is no end to the combinations of flowers you can use. If you serve your Christmas feast on a round kitchen table, utilizing the small space is key. For a Christmas table centerpiece that leaves plenty of room, use a small glass jar and transform it into a gingerbread Christmas village centerpiece. Gather seasoned greenery and pomegranates for a simple yet classic Christmas centerpiece. Artfully arrange the greenery down the center of the table. We used cut pine, eucalyptus, and magnolia leaves. Add fresh pomegranates for natural dimension and to draw guests' eyes through the entire Christmas table centerpiece. Pull creamer and sugar sets and demitasse cups out from the recesses of your cabinets and put them on display as a simple Christmas table centerpiece. Group the pieces on top of a cake stand, place bottle brush trees inside the cups, and add a few sprigs of evergreen, maybe a few ornaments, too, just don't overdo it. To complete the country chic look, place your Christmas centerpieces on a vintage linen runner or tea towel. Create a winter wonderland inside a clear glass bulb terrarium. Start with a base of faux snow and tuck in a miniature house and small branches, available at crafts stores. Place your winter terrarium on a footed cake stand in the center of the dinner table for an easy yet festive Christmas table centerpiece. Set a muted holiday table with shades of white, silver, and gray. Anchor the design with a fresh floral arrangement featuring dusty miller, seasonal berries, white ranunculus, and cut olive branches. Set the arrangement on cut evergreen branches and a set of small votive candles in mercury glass vases. Go the whole 9 yards with a Christmas centerpiece that extends the length of the table. The trick is to keep it low and narrow, so you have plenty of room for place settings and passing dishes, and so people can see across the table. You can't go wrong with a base of evergreen branches, topped with Christmas ornaments. Look for larger balls. Smaller sizes are harder to see and can look cluttered in a longer centerpiece. Add candlesticks in varying heights. We like the white tapers and mercury glass holder combination here, and 3 small single flower arrangements, one in the center and one to the left and one to the right. Achieve a minimal, natural Christmas table look by editing out elements and sticking to a tight theme. Instead of a evergreen or garland base, go simplistic with a wooden board. Then sparsely dot the board with small gold pots, a few pine cones, and decorative orbs in natural materials. Add height, but still maintain a minimalist look, with clear acrylic or glass candlesticks and a glass lantern in the center. Who says flowers are limited to spring and summer? Set your Christmas table with a pretty floral arrangement in shades of white to put the wonder in your winter wonderland. Hydrangeas, paper whites, and other white flower varieties are all contenders. Tuck in a few sprigs of long needled evergreens and replicate the spiky look with white bare branches extending from the top of the centerpiece arrangement. And that's what we call drama done right. If white isn't your floral color of choice, consider purple and pink. Yes, purple and pink. The combo's regal air is an elegant choice for a posh Christmas gathering. Mix flower varieties and tones, ranging from fuchsia and plum to dusty pink and violet. Cut longer stems to cascade out of the container, both upward and downward. And the container? A metal champagne bucket is an apt choice for a casual chic Christmas table centerpiece. Combine natural elements, textures, and materials for a gorgeous Christmas table decoration. Arrange birch bark vases, or pots, and candles on a tray and surround with evergreen branches and pine cones. Add a festive touch by placing red poinsettias in the vases and a few gold Christmas ornaments amongst the branches. Christmas table elegance needn't come in a frilly, fussy package. This graceful tablescape comes together with the most basic of elements. Stack glass ornaments in a pyramid formation on top of a compote, adhering the ornaments to one another with scrapbooking glue dots. Surround the table centerpiece with more red accents ornaments on top of candlesticks and a few red votive cups. Poinsettias are a Christmas centerpiece favorite, but pairing them with another element like topiaries atop large candlesticks takes this Christmas table decoration to the next level. For cohesion, place the poinsettias in vases that match your candlesticks. For a subtle Christmas table centerpiece, we suggest using lighter shades of poinsettias to not distract from the incredible tablescape and dinner. A few vintage brass decorations add a retro touch to this simple Christmas table. On a crisp white patterned runner, place a greenery garland or cut pieces of pine and eucalyptus. Add brass deer figurines and tall brass candlesticks. When your Christmas table has a lot of other elements, swags on the chairs, pretty napkins, festive dishes, keep your centerpiece simple. A red pot with greenery and berries makes a nice central focal point. And if you've built a gingerbread house, bring it out to the table as a cute sidekick to the arrangement. Holiday guests will love this 2-minute Christmas centerpiece idea. Place metallic glass globe ornaments in a low marble dish, and that's it. You're done. We like an unexpected combination of bright pinks and cobalt blue. Stack walnuts and bottle brush trees on a tiered galvanized cake stand for this Christmas table centerpiece. Finish the display with mini tabletop evergreen trees and tea light candles. This double-decker idea starts with cute gingerbread cutouts. We chose a deer pattern. Carefully arrange the cookies with cut greens, pine cones, and Christmas ornaments. It's almost too cute to eat. If you love wine, chances are you already have the materials for this classic Christmas centerpiece. To create, fill a trifle dish with corks and top with a glass votive candle. We like a mix of champagne and wine corks. Love the look of a tabletop tree? Bring it to your Christmas table. Transfer mini pine trees to white vases and arrange on a silver platter. Accent the trees with copper twinkle lights for a chic Christmas table centerpiece. Elevate your centerpiece with a handsome vintage sled. Top with an assortment of cloches, ornaments, and greenery. After the holidays, keep the sled but replace the Christmas theme accents with winter wares, like white pillar candles in glass hurricanes surrounded by faux snow. Add a festive jingle to your Christmas table centerpiece with a big bowl of silver and gold bells. We added a few coordinating ornaments for a change in scale. Bring the sparkling beauty of fresh snow inside with this stunning Christmas table centerpiece. To get the look, top a white cake stand with coarse sugar and tall pillar candles. Finish the decorations with gilded gold pine cones and twine tags.